we ask kids what they think is their parents' favorite word.
My dad's favorite word is mugu.
I think my mom's favorite word is tung 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 sahur.
My mom's favorite word is love. My name is Eden and my mom's favorite word is love.
I think your favorite word is alcohol.
Hallo oom K. My pa se gunsteling woord ek dink is my naam. Maar my pa sê altyd my naam elke dag.
My mom's favorite word is definitely my name.
My mom's favorite word is the F word.
Carl, my mom's favorite word is rarig.
My ma se gunsteling woord is rooi wyn. My ma se gunsteling woord wat sy sê is o, hy my vader van genade.
That's very funny.
The Flash Drive with Carl Wasty. KFM 94.5.